This integration requires a classic Jira Cloud instance and organization admin access to both Jira and Polaris. To get started, log into Jira and select the gear icon when exporting. Polaris sends the Jira field summary and description, along with the attributes, project ID, issue, type, and reporter name set to the user who did the integration by Jira. If Jira requires anything else, the export fails. Click Products. Click Application Links. Click Create Link on the Create Link screen. Enter the URL of your Polaris instance and click Continue. If you see a warning that the URL might not be valid, do not be concerned. This is not unusual. Quickly double-check that the URL looks correct and then just click Continue again. Next, enter an application name. This is a required field. Then under Application Type, ensure Generic Application is selected. Note, if you enter text or place the cursor in any of the other text fields, the form may not be accepted on this form. You will also need to check off Create Incoming Link. After double-checking the form, click Continue. In this form, start by entering OAuth key for the consumer key and Polaris for the consumer name. Then you need to enter the public RSA key you created. Open the public key PIM file you generated. Copy the contents and paste the text in the public key field. Finally, click Continue. You should now see Polaris in your list of applications. You are now done with setup on the Jira side. To configure Polaris first, log into Polaris with your admin account and then click on My Organization. Next, select Integrations. Click Add Integration. Enter your Jira URL in the Jira URL box and OAuth key in the consumer key box. Next, enter the private key you created to use the private key. Open the private key pen file, copy the contents, and paste the text in the private key field. When everything looks correct, click Next. This will open a new tab and take you to Jira so you can complete the authorization. Click Allow. Next, Jira will provide you with a verification code. Copy or write down the verification code when you are ready. Return to the Polaris tab in Polaris. Enter the verification code and click Validate. You should see a verification code accepted message. Click Next. Finally, click Finish. Everything should now be configured and working, but it is a good idea to test your setup. Click Test if you see a green check. Appear next to the Test button. Then Setup is complete. Note, individual projects will still need to be configured to use Jira. That's it. You are done with the admin setup. To set up a project to use the Jira configuration first, log into Polaris and select an application with a project you want to be able to export issues from. Click Training Demo. Select the Training Demo project. Click Settings. Click Integrations. Scroll down and under Jira Instance, select the URL to your Jira Cloud server. Note at this time, Polaris only supports having one Jira instance. Next in the Jira project field, select the project on your Jira instance. You want to send issues to finally select the Jira issue type. You want all exported issues to be assigned when you are happy with the setup. Click Save Setup is now complete. But let's quickly take a look at the issue. Export process. Click Issues. Click to select the issue you want to export. Click Export 1. Selected. Now that Jira is configured for the project, you are given the option to export to Jira. In addition to the option to export to a file, select Jira. Click Export 1. Issue note after an issue is exported, updates or comments to the issue made in Polaris will be automatically appended to the Jira issue. That's it. The issue is sent to Jira and you are done.